Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with two essentials: an administrator account and a reliable internet connection so activation can reach Microsoft servers. Once you're signed in, open Settings, pick System, then Activation. This is where the change happens. Make sure you have the full 25-character product key visible. Type it exactly. You're doing this now to avoid delays later, so proceed to change product key on that activation page and prepare to enter the key carefully and deliberately. Now you enter the key. Click Change Product Key and type the 25 characters, then hit Next to let Windows validate it. If settings won't accept input, run slew. exe3 to open the activation dialog, or use Command Prompt as admin with slmgr. vbs/ip key to install the key manually. Make sure the key matches your installed edition, because a home key won't work on Pro. Once Windows accepts the key, the system contacts activation servers to verify ownership. Finish by clicking Activate in Settings or run slmgr. vbs/auto from an elevated command prompt to force activation. Once done, restart the PC to ensure services update. After reboot, return to activation and confirm Windows is activated with the correct account or digital license. If activation fails, run the activation troubleshooter, verify your key matches the installed edition, and make sure your time/date and internet are correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.